So we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 58,871, 831. It's changing dramatically. We had support at $57,000 and we did see it drop, and it didn't drop below the area of, just a second, 57,700, 57,400. It made multiple attempts and that area is pretty much holding. Even if we talk about the drop of $56,000, it was one candle. It couldn't form two candles below it, and $57,000 support is holding very well, and your resistance is at 62. The thing is that Bitcoin is going through dramatic movements of volatility. If you look at it, the way it pumps and then the way it dumps, just look at it. It is just because it wants to get rid of long and short positions. It wants to discourage the market. And if I just touch on the long-term perspective before I talk about the short-term, the overall aim is that October is a bullish month. Everyone pretty much knows about it. So you need to discourage people for 2 months. So you have month of August and you have month of September. September is going to get nasty because August will pretty much end at a higher note. And then from there, it will start crumbling in the month of September, which will make everyone question, will October be green or not? Because the kind of dramatic effect it will have in September, it will remind you of month of August or July. So as they don't want people to build different positions in a very dramatic manner, what generally happens is that it starts going for discouragement. And if they do manage to do that, because right now if you ask people, they have 50-50 ambiguity in the market. Some people will tell you that Bitcoin is going to go towards 43,000 and other will tell you that it is going to go towards $70,000. But the on-ground reality is that as long as we have $57,000 support, we are going to go and push towards 62. Until we don't break 62, there is no 70 or 72. And there's another support of Bitcoin even after 57, which still keeps Bitcoin bullish, and that is at 54. So far, even from the perspective of other events that have happened, those who were supposed to attack, they didn't. So I'm leaning towards the bullish case scenario instead of bearish case scenario. So in terms of the short-term perspective, we are very close to it. As long as it doesn't break above 59,100, which is very close from here, you cannot be certain about the upper side movement. It needs to break above 59,100, form two candles there, spend 8 hours, and only after that I can expect it to go towards 60, 61, 62. I'll expect that to happen. If it doesn't, then 59,100 would be the reaction point, and then it will start going down again to test $57,000. And we actually did see that. I mean, I didn't make a video, but I did share that in my Telegram. I have a VIP group. It's for $10. Over there, share text messages and stuff. So we did see that story did happen. It went to 58,968, almost 59,000. And our area of reaction is 59,100. It couldn't even reach there, and after that we saw a dramatic pullback, and then it went down again. But the thing is that as long as it doesn't break above, this is short-term perspective of above 59,100, you cannot expect it to rally towards 62. You should expect it to dump down. So be on the lookout, be careful. It is trying to hunt, and hunting is going very well.